How do domestic violence allegations affect my job and career? Imagine waking up one day to find your name linked to a domestic violence allegation. It can feel overwhelming, and you might wonder how this impacts your work life. Domestic violence allegations can have serious effects on your employment and future career. Even if you are not convicted, the accusations alone can cause trouble. Many employers do background checks and may see a domestic violence charge as a red flag. If you have a conviction, it could make it harder to get new jobs, especially those involving trust or working with vulnerable people. Even just being accused can make potential employers hesitant to hire you because they worry about workplace safety or reputation. If you are already working, your employer might take action if you are convicted of domestic violence. They could decide to terminate your employment, especially if your job involves caring for others or handling sensitive information. However, if you are only arrested and not convicted, most employers cannot fire you just for that. They might still investigate or monitor the situation, especially if it affects your work performance. Having a domestic violence conviction can also impact your professional licenses or certifications. For example, teachers, nurses, and law enforcement officers need licenses to work. A conviction could lead to suspension or loss of these licenses, which can end your career in those fields. Some workplaces may also discriminate against employees who are victims of domestic violence, fearing threats or safety issues. But discrimination based on domestic violence victim status is illegal, and employers are often required to provide accommodations like flexible leave or extra security. Beyond work, these allegations can affect your education or eligibility for student loans, which can delay your career plans. If you face these legal issues, knowing your rights is important. You might be protected from wrongful termination or discrimination, especially if you seek legal help. Having a good legal defense can help you avoid a conviction or reduce charges, which can lessen the impact on your job. In summary, domestic violence allegations can limit your chances of finding new work, put your current job at risk, and affect your professional licenses. They can also lead to workplace discrimination, even if you are a victim. Getting legal advice and understanding your rights can help you navigate these challenges and protect your career.